Wow guys, I never knew that this particular method will get me to 1,000 subscribers on this my channel. Oh my god, this is so amazing guys. It's just to put in the practice, like do the necessary things, and you are good to go. You have been on YouTube for years, or you are just starting, you're thinking how to get 1,000 subscribers. Come, I have a big gist for you. Hey, just simple thing that you will just do, and before you know it, you will hit your first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Let's go guys. So guys, as I continue saying, once you finish all these things, when you start growing your channel to get your 4,000 watch hours, I mean, you know that YouTube requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So when you get your first 1,000 subscribers, it remains your watch hours. Then girl, start live streaming. Start going live stream every day. You go on live stream, whether you see viewers or not. In fact, that your subscribers will even come to your channel to watch you. That sounds straight, right? But in case you're on live stream but you don't see anybody joining you, just do the live stream. It will amaze you. After the live stream, you will see people to watch that particular video. Now the next thing is, anytime you want to make a video, make sure that you are using trending videos. Like you want to shoot a video to get your 4,000 watch hours, make sure you go first to do your research to see trending videos that you can be able to recreate, whether it's teaching videos or tutorial videos or videos you know that can attract people to view your channel, but don't violate YouTube community guideline. Yes, these are what I did on this my channel, and today I have 3,000 subscribers on this particular channel. Yes guys, I hope this video helped you. Please just go and do these things as I said. Now if you don't understand anything, the second thing you have to do is to go to TikTok. Look for trending videos that are very trending, that have millions, massive views and massive likes. What you have to do is, once you see those videos that have millions of views and massive likes, then you go and download TikTok Saver or Save Tick. Yes, once you download it, then you're going to go and click on share button and copy link of that particular video. When you copy it, go to your Save Tick that you downloaded on your Play Store. Go and download that video. Now what you're going to do is to just go to CapCut, put your name and the description of another different title in that video. Now you come over to YouTube and also select the same music or music that you know that is trending, so that it will look a little bit different from other people's from that original content. The next place is this particular YouTube. A lot of you don't know that you can actually download videos on it. Yes, you click on share button on YouTube. Go and search for most viral videos on YouTube. Just click on one of them. There is sound that particular person use. Tap on that person's sound, because when you're watching someone's video, you will see something that is like circular. Okay, once you click on it, click on use sound, like, so that your video will be under that person's own. If it's a popular person, it is going to be easy for you, for other people to see your video. Then you tap on that person's sound. Then YouTube will ask you to use sound. You click on use sound, so that when you upload that video, your video will be under that person's own. Once people are watching that person's video, your own will be popping up. So guys, if you do this particular thing consistently for 1 week, just 1 week, you are uploading 3 to 4 videos. Since you are not creating your own content, but you are doing this, post 3 times every day. Do it consistently for 1 week. Do not stop. The time you upload this video matters a lot. Your description, your hashtags, the necessary hashtag you're going to use. Find out the trending hashtag like viral reels, YouTube shorts, YouTube trending. You can also search popular people's name on YouTube, then use their name as hashtag, then use it and post that your short. Trust me, before the week ends, let me even say 4 days, you are definitely going to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Now if you are scared, now you're going to now start working towards your watch hours if that videos did not give you like that 10 million views, which I'm praying for you guys that once you start up this method, that one of your video will go viral and give you everything you want. But in case you have done this and you just got your 1,000 subscribers, then maybe you can go ahead and start working towards your watch hours, which is creating your own original content and be posting it on your main page. How do you do this? Make sure your camera is always bright when you want to make your videos. Your audio is very, very important when you want to make your videos. Make sure your audio is bright. Make sure your camera is bright. Make sure that the time you're uploading your videos, you keep it constant. Like the time you're uploading, I tell you guys that getting your first 1,000 subscribers in 4 days, it is very, very possible. Just in 4 days, if only you can follow these simple steps I'm going to mention in this video. Yes, I tried this on my particular channel, and boom, I hit more than 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I am telling you guys the honest truth. The only thing you can do for me is to listen to this video till the end. And those videos that got me to this particular 1,000 subscribers, I will tell you guys what I later did with the videos. Yes, guys, it is very, very possible for you to get your 1,000 subscribers. Yes. So I'm going to do a practical steps, step by step, how you can start this journey. So if you have been thinking to start a YouTube channel, this is an opportunity for you. If you already have a channel and you are thinking how to grow it, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, this is an opportunity for you. Why not just hop into this video? But before you do that, have you subscribed to my channel? Hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be sharing details back to back on any of my growth journey on this YouTube. Let's dive in. I'll be putting some screenshots here or here so that you people will understand what I'm talking about. Now, there is a popular trend on Instagram. Just what you have to do is, when you go to your Instagram, if you don't have Instagram, just go to your Play Store, download your Instagram. Once you download it, save it on your like, it will be on your phone. Yes, then sign up on Instagram. But if you already have, no problem, just go to the search bar in Instagram, search for most trending videos on Instagram, like wedding videos, because wedding videos, people like to watch wedding videos. Then go to Instagram, search for trending wedding videos, maybe Nigeria wedding videos, United States wedding videos, Africa. Just search for wedding videos that have millions and massive of views and likes. Then go and also download Insta Saver, or Instagram Saver, or something like that. So if you download Insta Saver, go to Instagram, you will see a share button of that particular video. Click on share, and then share, copy link. Click on copy link and copy the link. Now what are you going to do with the link? Go to Insta Saver that you downloaded on your phone. Go and download that video. Now when you finish downloading that video, go to your CapCut, just do a little bit editing so that it will be so different from the owner's own. Yes, when you do a little bit editing, if you don't know how to do editing, drop your comments on the comment section. I'll teach you how to do editing. Then you now go and put maybe your name and title of that video. Then when you come to YouTube, let me show you guys how to upload it on YouTube. If you come to YouTube, you click on the plus button to upload your shorts. When you click on plus button to upload your shorts, you're going to see where to upload your videos. Then you click on that upload, click on that video in your gallery. It will bring out all your videos. Click and select the video that you just already edited on your CapCut. Then for you to get a massive views on YouTube, what you need to do is, you go to up here, you're going to see where they write add sound. Now when you click on add sound, you're going to choose any of these trending sound that have like millions of upload. YouTube people have, a lot of people have uploaded on YouTube, so you are going to choose one music from YouTube to make it look different from the original owner. Now when you have already added music, now you're going to use a catchy,